In today's digital age, data is the backbone of healthcare. From patient records to diagnostic reports, hospitals handle vast amounts of personal data every day. But with great power comes great responsibility. Enter the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023, a law designed to safeguard personal data and protect the privacy of individuals. In this video, we'll explore what the DPDP Act means for hospitals and why it's crucial to implement it on an urgent basis. The DPDP Act 2023 is India's comprehensive law governing the processing of personal data. It emphasizes the protection of digital personal data while balancing the need to process it for lawful purposes. For hospitals, this means ensuring every piece of patient information is handled with utmost care and compliance. Let's delve into the key requirements that hospitals must meet under this Act. 1. Data processing principles. Process data lawfully, fairly, and only for specific purposes. Collect only what is necessary and keep it accurate and up to date. 2. Consent. Obtain clear, specific, and informed consent from patients before processing their data. Allow them to withdraw consent easily. 3. Notice. Provide patients with clear notices about how their data will be used and their rights. 4. Rights of patients. Ensure patients can access, correct, and request the deletion of their data. They should also have a mechanism to address grievances. 5. Security safeguards. Implement strong security measures to protect data from breaches. To comply with the DPDP Act, hospitals must take immediate action. Here's how. 1. Conduct a data audit. Identify and categorize all personal data your hospital collects and processes. 2. Update consent mechanisms. Ensure your systems can capture and manage patient consent effectively. 3. Enhance security measures. Invest in data encryption, access controls, and regular security audits to prevent breaches. 4. Appoint a data protection officer. For larger hospitals, this is mandatory. The DPO will oversee compliance and act as a point of contact for data-related queries. 5. Train your staff. Educate all employees about the importance of data protection and their role in maintaining compliance. Failure to comply with the DPDP Act can lead to severe consequences. Data breaches can not only damage your hospital's reputation but also result in hefty penalties. The Act specifies penalties that can go up to hundreds of crores for significant breaches. Protecting patient data is not just about avoiding fines, it's about maintaining trust and ensuring the safety of sensitive information. Complying with the DPDP Act has its benefits. It strengthens the trust patients place in your hospital, improves data management practices, and enhances overall operational efficiency. By being proactive, you're safeguarding your hospital's future and upholding the highest standards of care. Implement the Digital Personal Data Protection Act today. Protect your patients, your hospital, and your peace of mind. For more information or assistance in implementing the DPDP Act, reach out to your data protection officer or a Supramedic Consultancy Private Limited. Together, we can make healthcare safer and more secure.